Hey, so if you're like me and you're tired of or you're scared to take your brand new fancy ROG Ally on the go without a proper carrying case, this video is for you. So getting right into it, I did a lot of research and this is the case I ultimately bought. This is, and I know I'm gonna butcher the name, Aenllosi Hard Travel Case for Hori Nintendo Switch Split Pad Pro. So no, this is not specifically designed for the Asus ROG Ally, but it's one of the closest, if not a nearly perfect solution, especially since there are basically no acceptable, in my opinion, third-party cases out there right now. Here's the dilemma. It's June 27th. The Asus ROG Ally has been out for almost 3 weeks now, and we basically have no third-party accessories or even first-party accessories directly from Asus. Now, that said, you can buy the official ROG Ally travel carrying case. It's got a 3.7 out of 5 on Best Buy with over 270 reviews right now. And for the most part, it looks like a soft carrying case. It's not really gonna do that much. And they want $40 for it? No way. So let me tell you why I picked this case. First off, it looks pretty cool. It's a hard carrying case. And like I was saying, even though it wasn't designed for the Asus ROG Ally, it basically fits it perfectly with the exception of one minor point, which I'll show you right now. So for starters, really nice zippers. It's hard. It's gonna offer more protection compared to that soft carrying case. So right off the bat, it's doing the job of a case far better than the first party one. It also comes in a lot of colors and you can find it easily for about $20. Like I said, this is kind of like a generic case. So if you just search those keywords, Switch, Split, Pro case, you'll find a lot looking like that, you know, white labeled, rebranded. And I bought mine brand new for under $19. I think it was about $18.50 when I first bought it. Looks like it's about $21 or $22 now, so still not bad. Opening it up, yes, it's intended for a Switch, so you're gonna have these little slots here, which are basically designed for your game cartridges, though if you have a lot of micro SD cards, perhaps you could put some here. I just bought a 1 terabyte for this, so I don't really plan on needing additional ones. You also have a little carrying pouch at the top here, so if you wanted to put maybe a USB-C cable, you don't really want to put anything too bulky there, maybe a screen cleaner. You then open this up, and you have this Velcro strap, additional slots here for game cartridges, and again, not too sure what you would use it for on the ROG Ally, but it's there, and it's not costing you any more to get this. We've got a ROG Ally, place that in here, put the Velcro, and then the first layer. And then you'll notice here, this is the point I want to mention. As this closes, notice where the joysticks are and where the cutouts are for the case. With the exception of maybe the left one, the right one actually, a little bit. It basically closes perfectly. So that's the click, the joystick. The joystick is a little bit maybe towards the bottom here. It's not quite in the center here, but it still offers an incredible amount of protection. And even if I put pressure over here, with this one being a perfect fit, you're still gonna click it. So I'm not necessarily concerned about it. The fact that this is raised, so say you threw this in a backpack and you had maybe a couple books, a laptop, or anything else that you'd be concerned about frequently touching your controls, I don't think that's gonna be an issue unless it's just at the edge, which is probably unlikely. So very good protection here. You've got a nice carrying strap at the top, which seems to be reinforced pretty well. But if you're someone who wants to just kind of carry this like a bag on its own, it does include a lanyard-like strap with its hooks. You can attach it, and you know, this is just the one case that you carry on the go. So between the weird software glitches and overlays, and now the lack of first-party accessories, I'm sure a lot of you are in the same boat. So for now, I'm satisfied with the case. Next thing I'm probably gonna look for is a screen protector. There are a couple out there. I think dbrand is really one of the only ones that has one that has high ratings. I think it costs about $40 though, so again, crazy. It's just a piece of glass. But of course they can gouge you for prices because they're really the only one that actually fits. For right now, probably don't want to buy any of the options available on Amazon because it looks like they all are probably either for another device, maybe a Steam Deck. It's too small, it doesn't actually cover the entire width of your screen, so it doesn't really do its job. Ooh, and then the next thing I'm interested in, and I've been talking with a manufacturer who claims that their dock actually is officially supported and should give you the entire power throughput, so 30 watts to your ROG Ally when connected. Right now, I've been testing a lot. I have one that's even way overkill for this. It's for my MacBook Pro, so it gives me over 100 watts of power to my MacBook Pro, but I still only get a max of 25 watts when connected to it. And that's basically the same story with any other power adapter directly connected or any other third-party dock that I've tested. So fingers crossed that that works. So if you're interested in learning about that and you want to continue to improve your ROG Ally experience, because this is a really great device, stay tuned for those videos. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.